What are the tactics for today, Tony?
Well, just to have a go really, see what the car does. The car's done a lot of work this week. It's probably done nearly the equivalent of an RAC, and will certainly have done by the end of this rally.
What's the reason for coming so far north?
Just the car was first run on Monday with this engine and this configuration. We did a press launch yesterday, and this just seemed like a good thing to sort of round it off, go and do a rally, see if we can break it.
What's so special about this car in comparison with the original one that came out?
It's slightly longer, wider, it's got all the latest aerodynamic bits on it, and it's of course got the new engine with 4-valve per cylinder, 4 camshafts, 400 horsepower, all the 4s.
What sort of gearbox does this use?
It's got a ZF, it's like a Formula 1 car, and with a dog engaged clutch. Don't use, yeah. It's a ZF gearbox. Sorry, it's not a ZF, it's a Hewland gearbox. And it's just like an F1 car, you just pull the lever, don't use the clutch. The engineer sort of squirms every time you change gear with it, but it's okay.
I see you have a few bits that are like Formula 1 in this vehicle, like the rear anti-roll bar.
I suppose the nearest thing is the aerodynamics really to an F1 car. Plus the brakes are getting up to their sizes now. We've actually even tried carbon fibre brakes, so the cars are going along sort of parallel course, but we're about 7 years behind, and they had 400 horsepower 7 years ago.
Did you find this a come down from the Rover?
I drove the Rover on Wednesday and it felt just like a road car compared to this. It's such a step in power, no idea. To go from sort of 230 horsepower to 400, it's quite a jump, and because it's got traction the whole time, so you never get any wheel spin, you just get thrown between the corners. Well, at very, very tight stages. It's a long time since I've been here, and I can never ever recollect them being so nadgery and tight. And when you got 400 horsepower, it's a bit of an embarrassment. You know, sort of let it go, and then you wish you hadn't. You got it on the brakes again.
How far ahead of you?
I have no idea. No idea.
Not too worried about it.
No, just trying to stay on the road.
How was the rest of the thankful?
I don't remember that either. That was very slippery in places, and again quite tight. I mean, we're not getting out of second and third gear really. We've got another 2 in the box, so I'd like to use them sometime.